Hey y'all, okay, if you just watched my other video, or maybe you haven't, you know that I have 5 Michaels grab boxes to unbox, and I just thought I would just jump right in and unbox the second one for you, since some of you may be binge watching them, and I just thought I would be efficient with time. So let's open this box and see what's inside. This one, I believe, was one of the heaviest ones, so I'm curious to see what's inside. Okay, so right off the bat, I see these Halloween projectors. Projects 47 images. Looks like Halloween images. This would be great to throw into the candy treat bag, especially for kids with allergies. So they retail for $5, and it looks like they sent me 1, 2, 3, 4 so far. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. We've got moss, Halloween moss, $6.99. I would not pay $6.99 for this, but yeah, this would look good in a vase for some Halloween decor. Looks like there's another, ooh, it's got glitter, make a mess, but Halloween moss, $6.99. Looks like we have these tights, $8.99. I had no idea Michaels even sold clothing, let alone tights. I actually bought some for my daughter in red and black when they were on clearance for like $2, and I didn't get her the purple, but now she'll have the purple. So 2 pairs of those. This looks like it is called Sticky Max, stabilizes figurines and accessories. Obviously it's like some sort of sticky substance you put. Retails for $3.99. This doesn't even look like Michael's price tag, so I don't know what this is. Sometimes I feel like they just throw random stuff in here, but sticky stuff. A spider venom. Oh, Martha Stewart, fancy, 1 piece. This doesn't even have a price tag on it, but spider venom, witchcraft. Looks like a paper mache skull. Yep, paper mache skull, $5.99 retail value. These, probably what makes it so heavy, tiny treasures. These are decorative fillers. Yeah, decorative fillers, $4.99. Oh gosh, spider infested goo. This is slime, basically, with spiders in it. Yeah, I see the spiders. Retails for $3. Y'all, my kids love this. Kids of all ages love this, but let me tell you, don't let it near your carpet because it's really hard to get out of carpet. So $3. So they sent me 1, 2. Oh, this is different, but it's still $3. This is different. This is a slime barrel in purple. Looks more liquidy. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Another slime barrel. This one is 2 different colors. 12 of those, it looks like, that I can see. Let's see. This thing is a Halloween craft, Canada's $14.99. So who knows? Oh, US, $9.99. Looks like little, you know, foam, cute, 6+ craft. Random fall decor for $2.99. I was looking at this actually. $12.99. I saw this for the 80% off. I hesitated to buy it, and I didn't, and I'm glad I didn't because I got it here. So I like to put candle in between this on a table, so I definitely like this. And another random Halloween decoration, $2.99. Looks like it's broken. These are so cute. Okay, these are mason jar lids in some Halloween designs. They retail for $4.99 each. I love this. If you do have a Halloween party, you could put candy in mason jars and put these on the top just as decorative pieces. So it looks like they sent me 1, 2 spiders. Looks like 2 crows. Also $4.99 each. This one looks like it fell out. Whoops. So it's also a spider. Probably fell out of here. So let's see, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, this one is a witch hat, it's cute. 7, another witch hat. And that was it, 7 of those, cute. This looks like it's a light up necklace, retails for $5. Some more of this expensive $6.99 Halloween moss. This one is in black. Some more of this ribbon. Oh, I like this one. This one is like twine or jute. I like it. $3 each, and they sent me 2 of them. Cute little Halloween treat bags in a little kitty cat, $2.99. Martha Stewart, cute Halloween tags. If you are giving away, like, if you're having a party. These don't say the prices on them for Martha Stewart, but they're the Martha Stewart line. Cute. Again, from the Martha Stewart line, straws with little pirate. Oh, and the straws look like they're marbled. I wonder if they're good quality or if they're paper. Let me see. I just want to... Yeah, they're paper. So they're like a one-time use and done. But still cute if you're hosting Halloween or a pirate party. And it does not say how much it is. Oh, this one lights up. Look at this. Beware. Enter at your own risk. And you push it, and it lights up. This is cute. Can't even fit the whole thing in the camera. Let's see how much this one retails for. $34. Let me try to get the price in here. $34.99, y'all. $34.99. Yeah, this is nice. It's glass and it's big. So that's a pretty good score for $4. 2 light bulbs. 2 light bulbs. Does not say the price. These don't even look like Michael's brands. Limex. And this looks like it's a broken necklace. It looks like a cute little charm was on it. Rest in peace, with like a little black charm. Retails for $6.99, but it is broken. Okay, y'all, so I will do the calculations for this box and total it up. Okay, to recap and summarize, box number 2 had 44 items with a total amount of $248.75 worth. If you use the 20% off coupon, it would come to $199 out the door. I would say, all in all, for everything you got, that is a pretty good deal. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!